Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to change the lock screen wallpaper now. First, verify you have the image and permission to use it. Open Settings or long press the home screen to open Wallpapers. Once done, pick a source, Gallery, Google Photos, or a wallpaper app. Make sure the app has storage access. Without it, you can't pick photos. If you want animated or live wallpapers, confirm battery saver is off. Next, select the image you want and move on to editing and placement. Now you'll crop and position the image so it looks right on the lock screen. Use the crop handles to match the lock screen aspect ratio like 9:16. Once satisfied, choose Apply to Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. Select Lock Screen only if you prefer different home wallpaper. If it's a live wallpaper, tap Settings to adjust animation or battery options. Make sure to preview on both portrait and landscape if your device supports it. Then confirm to continue. Finish by tapping Set or Apply, and then lock your phone to verify the new lock screen wallpaper appears as expected. If you want automated changes, enable any schedule or wallpaper saver features your launcher offers. Make sure adaptive brightness or themes aren't overriding the image. Some OEM themes can force a different wallpaper. If the new image doesn't show, clear the wallpaper or launcher app cache, force stop and reopen the app, or reboot the device. These simple steps resolve most update hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.